Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the biggest questions RV travelers have. Where do I stay in my RV? Whether you're a seasoned nomad or just starting your RV adventure, finding the right spot to park for the night can make or break your trip. So let's break it all down. How to find the best places, tips for choosing safe and affordable spots, and even uncovering those elusive free stays. Let's roll. First up, paid campgrounds. These are probably the most convenient and popular option for RV travelers. You've got places like KOA, private RV resorts, and state or national parks. They usually come with amenities like full hookups, showers, laundry, and sometimes even a pool. To find these campgrounds, I recommend apps like Campendium, RV Life, and The Dirt. They let you filter by your needs, whether it's big rig access, pet-friendly spots, or Wi-Fi. Here's a tip: read the reviews. Other RVers will often share what the pictures don't, like how level the sites are, how clean the facilities are, or if it's noisy at night. Of course, these come at a cost, so you'll need to factor that into your budget. Now let's talk about free camping, also known as boondocking or dispersed camping. This is where RV living gets exciting and budget-friendly. Public lands, especially those managed by the Bureau of Land Management, BLM, or the National Forest Service, are your go-to for free camping. These spots are often remote, scenic, and perfect for off-grid living. To boondock, you need to be self-sufficient. Think solar panels, water tanks, and a generator. Apps like iOverlander and FreeRoam are fantastic for finding these spots. Pro tip: always double-check local regulations to make sure overnight camping is allowed. And remember to leave no trace. Let's keep these beautiful places pristine. Need a quick overnight stop? Many retailers like Walmart, Cracker Barrel, and some Cabela's stores allow RV parking in their lots. Just be courteous and check in with the manager first. This is a great option for a one-night stay while traveling long distances, but keep it low-key. Don't put out your slides or lawn chairs here. Safety is non-negotiable when it comes to RV camping. Here are my top tips. Research the area beforehand. Apps like Allstays and Campendium often have safety reviews. Arrive during daylight. This gives you time to scope out the area and decide if it feels safe. Trust your gut. If something feels off, don't hesitate to move on. Finally, secure your RV with proper locks and consider investing in security cameras or motion lights to deter unwanted visitors. Some of the best RV spots are hidden gems, small-town fairgrounds, wineries, or farms. Websites like Harvest Hosts and Boondockers welcome connect you with unique, one-of-a-kind stays. These might not always be free, but they're affordable and unforgettable. Not only do you get a great place to park, but you also meet incredible people along the way. And that's it, folks. From full-service campgrounds to off-grid boondocking, there's no shortage of amazing places to park your RV. Whether you're looking for adventure, peace, or just a safe spot for the night, you now have all the tools you need to find the perfect spot. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Safe travels, and I'll see you down the road.